How to find Trust Wallet private key. The very first thing, you want to make sure that the application Trust Wallet is already installed on your device. If not, you can head over to your Play Store or an App Store and then install it. Once it has been installed, head over to the application. Enter your login credentials, as in your password and the user ID, and then sign in to your specific account. Once you have been signed in, it will land you on this home page. Once you are in here, click on this gear icon at the top left corner. It will open up your settings. Inside settings, head over to wallets at the very top. It will show you all the list of the wallets that you have added. Right now you can see only one, so click on it. Well, the secret phrases backups option will be available to you. One is Google Drive and the other is manual. You can select any one of it. After that, your private key will be visible to you, and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can find Trust Wallet private key. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next video.